and join the NewWave Facebook group by ANA. I asked for permission to join. I'm accepting everybody. I want to see people in Australia. I want to see what y'all doing in the UK, Germany, like across the world, across the nation as well. So don't forget to join, man. Shouts out to the NewWave. Peace.
Follow me on my social media platforms. For more information on the products used in this video, the link is in the description. Hey now, Anthony with ANA Professional Services. The weather can definitely impact your business in a good or bad way. Now, if it's good or bad, that depends on you. Bad weather can affect many aspects of detailing and lawn care. The obvious is that the weather physically prevents you from working. Rain, sleet, snow, or extremely cold and hot weather, Mother Nature is undefeated, but you can prepare for it. If you're over the age of 14, then more than likely you've seen all changes in the weather from day to day, week to week, month to month, and season to season. The first way to prepare is to always save for a rainy day, literally. Snowstorms can easily shut down operations for a week. So while business is plentiful, get it while it's good and build that nest egg. A second way is to prepare yourself to work in unpleasant weather. Wear the proper clothing, stay hydrated, and eat. In cold weather, bring in all chemicals that can freeze, or find a way to keep them warm, because the next day can be warm enough to work, but everything is still frozen. Don't play yourself. The third way is to communicate with your existing customers and let them know that you're still working, especially when they assume you're not. Continue to advertise to your potential customers. You'd be surprised on how many customers assume that you're not detailing in the winter months. Real detailers detail in the winter. If it's below freezing outside, we find a heated garage, or we push interior details, and so on. After all the bad weather passes and clears, business is booming again, especially when the sun is out. Your phone keeps ringing. Bad weather can be a good thing depending on how you look at it. Just be prepared. And I told my peers that I was quitting my 9 to 5 to start mowing lawns for a living. Because it was out of the norm for my peers, they tried to talk me out of it. They would say, "It's hot out there. What are you gonna do when it rains? Or grass stops growing in the winter?" Those statements did put fear in me, but it wasn't enough to stop me. See, when you know what you want, you focus. So I started to focus on winter lawn care, like gutter cleaning, shrub trimming, tree trimming, mulch install, pine straw install, leaf removal. Problem solved. Winter weather isn't always a bad thing. My peers was trying to talk me out of starting a lawn care business. In their eyes, I was paying them no mind, but I was listening to all the negative feedback. But I turned the negative into a positive. Instead of giving up, I focused on how to make it through the winter. My peers didn't realize that they were helping me. They pushed me to plan and be more calculated. Now I'm even more calculated in everything I do, especially when it pertains to the business. So I purposely pick lawns with trees, homes with gutters, shrubs, and flower beds. And I mention these services to the customer or client, preferably during the fall and winter months. I live for the day and I plan for tomorrow. Shouts out to the New Wave. Peace. Follow me on my social media platforms. For more information on the products used in this video, the link is in the description.